Unbreakable title match. And it's the debut of the Birdman. The Birdman's in the house. He's here and ready for action. Here at Apocalypse. February the 19th.
The 14th.
And we are awaiting the Dragon, the reigning unbreakable champion. Low key, low key. And there it is. You hear it. Someday. Here it comes. And there he is. The new unbreakable champion. We saw him win it on Thunder. He's all pumped up for this match against the Birdman. What an opportunity for the Birdman. Look at that, the unbreakable champ. And here we go. It's for the title. Could he be kissing it goodbye? Okay, hold on one second. And here we go. And here we go. This is the debut of the Birdman. You see we got a new ladder over there. Oh, look at those shots. Great weather out here, fans. Oh, what a kick. By the Dragon. Now what is he gonna do?
Birdman!
Oh.
Birdman! You suck! Low key! Low key! Low key!
Great!
Oh! Got him. Barely caught him with that kick. But Birdman up to his feet. How did he do that?
Oh no, they were both going for a kick there. Birdman's a new, he's an unknown. We're not sure what to expect from this guy. We've seen a lot of new characters.
We saw he entered with that sword or whatever it was.
Oh wow, I am
what a
surprised
suplex.
he suplexed him.
Surprised he got the big man up.
Loki's not going in for the cover, just kind of taking his time. Could be a big mistake.
We got a lot of big time matches here at Apocalypse tonight.
And Birdman up to his feet.
This could be a big chance. I'm surprised he gets a title match. His first match on the show. Ooh,
Well,
and
you've seen a lot of newcomers get title matches.
Well,
their first match.
Loki's first title defense as
Yep,
Unbreakable
you saw him
champion.
get and a lot of fans called it an upset, but it was a fair and square win over Asylum at Thunder.
Now what?
Oh!
Blocked him. Loki's gonna go for something here.
Here we go. Uh-oh.
Oh!
My God! It looks
Pele.
like right in the jock. Oh, and
Birdman's hurt.
Birdman, Bird Boy.
He got that leg. He caught that leg. You heard him groan in pain.
You can start calling them weirdo.
Moonsault!
Oh.
And caught him with it. Wow.
Good. Oh, and
Oh, playing
Birdman
possum.
just-
He was playing possum there.
he's just picking his spots. Pretty smart. Clothesline.
Oh no, this doesn't look good for the dragon.
Loki.
This does not look good for the dragon.
Apocalypse, big show tonight. We got a triple threat match. Going to be Madman versus Gary versus Houston. We got another triple threat match planned. Chronic versus Kid Cash versus Phoenix.
2 members of the new breed tonight. And we've got Stinger
Well,
versus Lee Hardy here
yep.
tonight.
Founder put Christian and Stinger in. Christian's got a mystery opponent tonight.
Oh, what a low blow.
Low blow. There is no referee to disqualify him.
Fans getting antsy here. Oh! Caught him with the kick, my gosh!
Taking his time, not going for the cover. Not good.
Low-key. Trying to get to his feet.
Trying to get the momentum back on his side.
He's up top. He's on that ladder.
Oh, he's way up top on that unsturdy ladder. Not a good idea. Look at
Oh,
that.
my
He's
gosh.
suicidal. He's step-defying. He's genocidal.
Oh, went for a front flip.
Bird boy move.
Wow.
Who's
What a
that,
match.
Birdman?
What now?
Finish him.
Oh, and he's going for something big kick.
Finish him, Loki.
Oh, look at this. He's calling for it.
Move!
He moved out of the way.
Finish him.
Wait, he's calling for it.
He's picking a spot.
He's calling for the kick. The Trouble in Paradise.
Coming up, we could see a title retained to kick off the show.
The Unbreakable Champ's calling for that
What a
kick.
match, Harry. Doesn't
Here he goes.
it?
Oh.
Got him.
1, 2, 3. Loki
Loki
retains
the
the title.
Come on,
Jinx.
Birdman. Could have beaten me.
And Birdman has been beaten. Yes. Wait a minute.
Hey, Loki's tag team partner, Lee Hardy.
Lee Hardy's coming to celebrate. Lee Hardy's coming to celebrate. Oh no. Lee Guerrero.
Lee Guerrero.
Lee Guerrero. Back in the casa. Lee's casa. Whose casa? Lee's casa.
And Birdman has been defeated here.
We'll see you next at Apocalypse. Loki.